All right, dude. Go ahead and brave it to the truck.
Am I driving? Who's driving here?
You're driving. We're headed to dinner. Woo! Can't see a darn thing.
Jeez. You gonna film this the whole way?
Jeez Louise.
Holy buckets.
It's like a damn
What?
winter hurricane up here.
Let's see if I can.
It's like a wind tunnel over there.
Whoa. Jesus. That's pretty white. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's really a drive fence line. Well, seriously, yeah, just here.
Nothing over here.
Okay. Close that up again.
I can still see the fence. I mean, can we keep trucking with the fence inside?
Say what?
I can see the fence on this side.
I just heard the kid get a break. For a moment.
I think we might be getting the truck stuck now.
We'll move it so these things.
You know, we're angling towards the fence, Dave.
For what?
We're angling too much towards the fence.
Okay,
We
I'm
need to go
turning.
more to the right.
I just don't want to hit the fence on the other side.
Are you sure you don't want me to get out and guide us?
Yeah, let's do that.
window open.
All right, I'm gonna
My
get out
glasses
and guide
are
us.
freezing.
You should like film this.
Or not.
Holy shit, it's up to my fucking window. It's up to my knees.
Oh, man. Damn. This was.
Come over on me and then just kind of, I'll walk along the edge here.
Okay.
Woo!
Get in. I got the fence and everything.
Sure?
Yeah.
Pretty gnarly conditions. Woo!
Well, thanks, man.
That was brutal, man.
Awesome. And I was inside the truck with all this. Holy moly.
Wow.
Oh, man.
God.
That is freaking intense out there, man.
I was driving. That's bad. That's bad. Don't do that shit again. That got exponentially worse, dude.